I'll grant limited access to the third accused person to his phone in the presence of the investigating officer.
Mobuge wa Nandi Hills Alfred Keter kurekererio na bodi ya milioni 5 kana shilingi milioni 2 besha farifari.
Thank you very much.
Ministers aria marehitithirie ikuhe kuyukia utongoria ministry-ini iria marehokeirwo na kwiranira gutungatira muingi.
We will be ruthless on this matter. Sababu losing lives is not a game.
Minister wa ugitiri Dagitari Fred Matiang'i gwathana ariothe makuruhanitio na njuragano muhaka-ini wa West Pokot na Elgeyo Marakwet maikio ngono na mathitangwo.
Githi ekiraga iguru wa nguo ino kanenono haria cina marangi tofauti
na nyitanira na Wangui wa Muiruri agiguceria kwa Njoki wa Kamau uria ni mutumi njorua wa ithi cia afia a kanitha wa Gatoreki.